All right. So while I've been chatting about that, we had some questions come in. And we have uh, this amazing person just said um, from Enemy Miss Bear, does the mechanic check other after treatment codes? Yes, absolutely. In fact, that's one of the things that we really pride ourselves on because um, oftentimes someone will call and say, "Hey, I think I need my DPFs cleaned," and my thing is, well, yeah, it's probably not a bad idea, but let's make sure that's actually the root cause of the problem. So yes, he'll check the after treatment codes. My next week's show will be talking about the Freightliner M2 with the Cummins 6.7 engine, and so that's something where having this experience really does help because. Like James can say, "Oh, you've got a Freightliner M2 with a 6.7 with 250,000 miles." That normally indicates you have one or more bad injectors, and he'll talk about that. So, yes, looking at the upstream issues is really important. And yes, James from JB uh, Mobile Diesel Repair can help you with that. If you need to get a hold of him, um, you can just text us and say, "Hey, give me James's number." You can give him a call. And we've had people come in thinking they need DPFs cleaned. It turns out that James discovers it's just simply a bad pressure differential or delta P sensor, and he replaces that, and those guys are back on their way. So, you don't always need us, but James can let you know if you do or not.